Hello, this is Mr. O again, and I'm going to go and show you exactly how to make sure that your drawing or your design that you're going to be doing is all correctly set up in millimeters or the dimensions you want to use. So I go to my name in the top right hand corner here, or your initials. I click on that, I hit preferences, and there's a lot of things to have a look at here, but I scroll all the way down to my default units in design, and you will see it says my units for design are in millimeters. You will find that depending on the drawing sheet that you have, that you might be designing or drawing in, it might also be in inches. But at the moment in Australia, we are a metric country. We standardize on millimeters. And you'll see, double check your manufacturer, and your simulation and generative design are most of the standard metric systems that we use. So that's it. That's how you make sure that all your designs and your simulations and manufacturing are in millimeters. I hope this helps.